velocity for an interval of time t equals 0 to 12 seconds for first 12 seconds. Then find the velocity of the body at t equal 2 seconds, 6 seconds, and t equal 10 seconds. Okay, this is a position versus time graph. So initially where the object is, object is at s equal 10 meter, I just indicated here. This is the initial position. Then look at the slope, slope negative. No? Slope negative means velocity should be towards left. So what is the velocity at this point? Somewhere here, 2 seconds it is asking, no? This is the thing. Then 6 seconds it was asked. Then 10 seconds. At these instants of time, we should calculate the velocity. So for that, I think we'll just take the slope. So what is the velocity at 2? It should be equal to final 0 minus 10 by 5 minus 0. So minus 2 meter per second. So for 0 to 5 seconds, it will move with a constant speed 2 meter per second. So that I'll write it here. For 0 to 5 seconds, it will move with a constant speed. Here the slope is constant, uniform velocity motion. Next again, 5 to 8 seconds. Then after 5 seconds, at 5 seconds, it will be at origin. Then it will start moving again towards left. What is the slope of this? This we have to calculate here. So it should be equal to, just some correction is there in the graph. I'll put it. Both need not be of same slope. Okay, now come for this one here. Now, what is the slope of this line? V6 should be equal to 0 minus 6 by 8 minus 5 minus 6 by 3 minus 2 meter per second. So again, the body is moving with 2 meter per second towards left only. And finally, it will be at minus 6 meter. It is like this, t equal to yeah, this one only correct here. No, similarly again from 8 to in between 8 to 12 seconds. So what happened to the body? It is having positive slope. So then again from minus 6 meter, it will come to the origin. So it will change the direction of motion. So what is the slope? 6 by 4. The slope should be equal to V10 should be equal to. How do we write? Final speed is 0. Initial speed is minus 6. 12 minus 8. So this should be equal to 6 by 4, 1.5 meter per second. So here it will move with 1.5 meter per second. So look at the body. It has changed the direction of motion. From 10 meter, it will come to origin. Then it will move 6 meter. Then again, it will cover under distance of how much? Under 6 meter. And finally to reach it. So what is the total distance covered? Total distance covered. Should be equal to how much it is? 10 plus 6 plus 6. 22 meter. Displacement. Initially it was at 10 meter. Finally it is at origin. So net displacement will be 0 minus of 10 I cap. Then what about the average speed? Distance got by total time of journey. So 22, total time of journey is 12. So 11 by 6 meter per second. What about the average velocity? Displacement by time taken, minus 10 I cap by 12. Okay, I think the from ST graph, so much of information available. You can calculate what are V2, V6, they are instantaneous velocities. Speed of particle at 2 seconds. What is V6? Speed of particle at 6 seconds. Now, what about V10? Like this, from ST graph, position of stem, what all you can calculate, you can find out instantaneous speed, distance covered, displacement, average speed, average velocity. All these things you can determine.